This MCQ set contains 10 questions about advanced topics in Python. Test your knowledge of Python decorators, classes, functions, and more. Each question has 4 possible answers, and only one is correct. What is the output of the following code? my_dict equals a1, b2, del my_dict, print my_dict.get 0, 1, 2, 0, b. What is the purpose of the yield keyword in Python? It returns a value from a function. It defines a variable in a function. It stops the execution of a function. It generates a value on the fly and returns it, without terminating the function. What is the output of the following code? my_street equals hello, world. Print my_street, -1, -1. Hello, world. Dielro, hola. Dielro, hola. Dielro, hola. What is the difference between a list and a tuple in Python? A list is immutable, while a tuple is mutable. A tuple is a collection of different types, while a list is a collection of the same type. A list is ordered, while a tuple is unordered. A list is mutable, while a tuple is immutable. What is the output of the following code? my_list equals 1, 2, 3, my_list. Insert 0, 0, print my_list. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, and NBSP 0, 1, 2, 3, and NBSP. What is the purpose of the addStatic method decorator in Python? Class myClass. addStatic method def my_method, print hello, world. It indicates that the method can be called without an instance of the class. It indicates that the method can only be called by an instance of the class. It indicates that the method is a class method. It indicates that the method is a static method. What is the difference between a list comprehension and a generator expression in Python? List comprehensions are faster than generator expressions. Generator expressions are faster than list comprehensions. List comprehensions create a new list in memory, while generator expressions create a generator object. List comprehensions create a new list in memory, while generator expressions create an iterator object. What is the difference between a deep copy and a shallow copy in Python? What is the purpose of the slots attribute in Python classes? It defines the properties of a class instance. It restricts the creation of new attributes for a class instance. It defines the methods of a class instance. It restricts the creation of new attributes for a class instance to only those listed in the attribute. Which of the following is true about Python decorators? Decorators are used to remove functionality from a function. Decorators are used to modify the input parameters of a function. Decorators are used to modify the return value of a function. Decorators are used to modify the behavior of a function without changing its source code. What is the output of the following code? def my underscore func, args, returns sum, args, my underscore list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, print, my underscore func, my underscore list. Which of the following is a valid way to create an instance of a class in Python? My class, instance, instance, my class, my underscore instance equals new my class, my underscore instance equals my class.